Today we're going to be talking about how to make deliveries in the Skipcart app and kind of a full walkthrough of what it's like to make a delivery. So here, when you first open your Skipcart app, if you have hours booked, you can see in your left-hand corner that it says that you're on duty, that your slot is between 2 and 3 p.m. Then you have the map where the deliveries will show up. At the bottom, you have two orange buttons. The one on the left will open up a support chat so that you can chat with us anytime that you have any questions or need help. Next to that on the right is a button with a question mark in it that will take you to the support website where you can read articles. And in the top right hand corner you see a refresh button. If you ever get notified of a special delivery or that you've been confirmed for your slot, you can refresh that button and your order should appear on the map. So let's try that now. There you go. We're scheduled. We have a confirmed time slot. You can see that by going to today's time slots and you can see which of your slots have been confirmed. So now when you click on this icon, it takes you into the show details screen. So here you can see how many orders are in it, the delivery window, which is the start time of 2 p.m., the end of the delivery window, which is the end time of 3 p.m. You want to make all deliveries within that hour. And we do recommend getting to the store 15 minutes early to pick up so that you can deliver as close to the beginning of the hour as possible in case that there are more deliveries for you to get that hour. Then we have a rush hour bonus. This is a bonus that goes out on certain deliveries, so be looking for those. And then you have the address of where the customer is going to be. When you click show details, it takes you to a screen where you also have the ability to see the pickup address. So in order to accept this delivery, you just click the accept pickup button, and this is you claiming the delivery, which will bring you to this. It'll be a map showing your current location to wherever the pickup store is. So then at this point you have to slide to begin. This will open Google Maps and make sure that you're always taken to the right pickup address. Whether it be a grocery store, a restaurant, or a retailer, it'll always take you to the correct pickup address. So you would start navigation and it'll take you to the store. But since I'm not driving, we're just going to walk through it. When you arrive at the store, you click the at store button. This will alert us and the retailer that you've arrived. And for instance, if you're picking up groceries like this order is, it'll let the pickup team know that you're there to bring groceries out to you. If you're ever there for longer than 10 minutes though and people haven't brought your groceries out, it's always a good idea to call the number on the pickup sign and let them know that you've arrived. So you can see here there's a note. It says this is for a Walmart order actually. So grocery order, pickup signs, park and wait in a reserved spot. So that's where you go to pick up the groceries and they'll bring the groceries out and load them for you. After all of the groceries have been loaded in your car or whatever the order is, food or auto parts, whatever, then you do the slide to start delivery button. This again will open Google Maps, which it is imperative that you install Google Maps on your phone because that is the navigation system that we use here at Skipcart. And you can see it's taking you to the drop-off location. But if along the way you ever run into problems, you can always come back to this screen. This is the en route to delivery screen and has a lot of information on it. It shows you the address of where you're going, tells you the customer's name of who you're dropping off for, and it gives you delivery notes and information. This one says to please call when you arrive because their doorbell is broken. So in order to do that, we have these four icons here at the bottom. On the very left, you see a pin for navigation in case you close your map and you need to get back to navigating to the customer's address. Then we have a phone. That phone icon will actually call the customer and it will hide your number from them and their number from you so that everybody's safety is maintained. Next to that is a text bubble that will allow you to text the customer. And on the very right, you have an exclamation point, which will allow you to report any kind of delays if there's a problem during the order. And then also look at these instructions, like for instance this is a delivery for Walmart and they don't like you to go into the customer's home, so make sure to always check these notes. When you arrive at the drop-off, you slide at drop-off to let us and the customer know that you've arrived. And I'm going to go ahead and bypass this little pop-up just because I'm not driving, but when you're at the customer's home you won't see this. and that will bring you to the sign screen. So after you've finished delivering and dropping off all the groceries to the customer's door, you need to have the customer sign here. That is the proof of the delivery, and that gets sent back to whoever the retailer is. But also notice on this screen that you have the customer's address at the top, also with a little pin button, so that if you lose your way, you can click that button. It will navigate you back to the store. And then just a little reminder of any kind of delivery notes that the customer may have put in, as well as the phone icon so that you can call the customer if you need anything. If you have any problems or anything that you think that we should know about on a delivery, you can click the remarks button, and here you can type in a comment about anything that you might need to tell us about the customer. So you could say maybe customer's address not accurate, and that would give us a note to let us know that we need to look at that in the future. So after the customer is signed and you made any remarks that you need to do, you can slide to complete order one, and this will close out the delivery. And here you can see your little earnings screen of what you've made, and you can always check your earnings at any time in the menu in the Skipcart app under weekly driver statement. And that's how you make deliveries.